How to view other viewers on your Facebook story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Facebook application. Click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then go to settings and privacy, and again go to setting. After that, go to stories from audience and visibility. Choose the option of who can see your story from public to friends, as Facebook till the date has no feature to allow you to see the list of other viewers, so you can simply change the privacy of your story. After that, if you are still able to view the other people, it is because some of your friends who have already viewed your story might have deactivated or unfriended you from their Facebook. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.